Lawrence Neal here from corporatewarrior.co. So I get asked by a lot of members and listeners, how do I generate more referrals in my high intensity strength training business? And I was having a conversation recently with a successful business owner, and they were explaining to me how they've used gift cards really effectively in their business to generate referrals. And the way they do this is they identify who are the biggest brand advocates in their customer base. Who are the people who are always giving great feedback, always talking about your service with their friends and family, always sharing your stuff on social media. Identify who these people are and offer them a gift certificate or gift card, maybe something that's around $100 to $250 in value, something like that, to give to a friend to use. Who's obviously not currently a client of yours. And when you think about how small this investment is in comparison to the lifetime value of your average client, which if you're doing a good job with retention, should be quite high, and we can cover retention off in a separate video. It pales in comparison. That $100, $200 investment in a gift card will provide you with an enormous return in terms of the lifetime value of that new client. So I encourage you to give that a test. It doesn't cost a lot to do. It's a very easy test to perform in your business and see if that is effective for you in generating more referrals. I'm Lawrence Neal, and I will speak to you soon.